Today we are going to see the consistency of the equations. First we are going to see the rank method, that is elementary transformation and equivalent matrix. You know what are elementary transformation, that is interchanging rows, multiplication of each row, and then addition of each row with the multiplication of a scalar multiple. Equivalent matrix is represented by the inverted S, achieving echelon form, finding the rank we saw till now. Now next is, what is consistency of the equation? If the system of equation having one solution or many solution, then it is consistent. Now if there is no set of solution, then the system is inconsistent. That is, the system of equation having solution means it is consistent. If there is no solution, it is inconsistent. Now consistency of linear equation geometrically we are going to see, that is, if two lines intersect at one point, then it's said to be that exactly one solution exists. Now if a line coincides the other line, then it is called there exists that infinitely many solution. Now if a line is parallel to the other line, that is having no intersecting point, then there exists no solution. That is inconsistent. Next, testing the consistency by rank method. Now rank of AB is equal to rank of A, then the system is consistent. Then rank of AB is equal to rank of A, which is equal to n. What are this n? N is the number of variable. It may be x comma y. That is, if there is x comma y, then there is two unknowns. So if the number is 2, n is 2, then the rank of AB and rank of A is also 2. Then the system will have unique solution. Like that, if the rank of AB is equal to rank of A is less than n, that is less than the number of unknowns, then the system will have infinitely many solution. If rank of AB is not equal to rank of A, then the system will have no solution and it is inconsistent. Now let us see some of the example for consistent. To have both are in unique solution and many solutions are consistent. So for that we have an example of a 2 by 2 matrix having the rank 2. So both unknown variables 2 and the rank is also 2. So having unique solution, that is only one solution. For many solution, see here number of unknown is 2, but here the rank is 1. So it will have many solution for the value of k. Here the constant k is there. So for the as many as values for the k, then the system of equations will vary according to that. Now we are going to see the inconsistency, that is no solution. When this is AB and this is A. Now the rank of AB, see the rank of AB is 3, and here the rank of A is A. See this A alone, if you see, you will have 2. So the rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. Then the system said to have a inconsistency, that is no solution. That's all for today. Thank you.